People like Congress Minister Timmapure are unfit to be in public life. The bare sensitivity, the minimum sensitivity that they could have displayed at this sensitive and unfortunate circumstance that these families are facing is to sympathize, shed a tear, express solidarity with the family and condemn the brutal incident. But these so-called secular politicians have long ago sold their souls to their vote banks. Mr. Timmapure is even belittling the suffering that the two widows have faced. He's asking if the statements made by these widows that the husbands were killed only on account of their religion is not true. That the terrorists have not gone about checking their ID cards. Yes, the terrorists did not have the decency of checking ID cards. The terrorists subjected the people to physical examination. Perhaps people like R.B. Timmapure must also be subject to this kind of physical examination and humiliation. Only then will they realize the kind of trauma and the kind of difficulty that these families went through. The people of this kind are unfit to be in public life. People of the state, people of their respective constituencies and the Hindu community in particular must ensure that such people